Let's learn how to turn on a VPN on an iPhone. If you want to enable VPN on your iPhone but don't know how, you don't need to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the App Store on your phone. Once you have opened the App Store, you need to click on the search option located at the bottom right. After clicking that, you need to type TunnelBear into the search bar. When you type that in, a page with TunnelBear will appear. On that page, you need to click on the Get option next to the TunnelBear app. After clicking that, wait for the app to download. Once the app has downloaded, you need to open it by clicking the Open button. When the app opens, you need to create an account. After creating an account, a page with a map will appear. On that map, you need to find the country you want to set your VPN to. Once you've found that country, click on the yellow symbol above it, and the VPN will turn on. If you want to turn on the VPN from the settings, close the TunnelBear app and open the settings. Once in settings, you'll be on a page with several options. You need to click on the option next to VPN. After clicking that, the option will turn green, and you will have successfully enabled the VPN. However, you must not delete the TunnelBear app, because if you don't have the app, you can't enable the VPN from settings. So don't delete the TunnelBear app. And that's it. That was a tutorial on how to enable a VPN on an iPhone. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.